Today I will show you how to create filters or rules in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to log into your Gmail account. Now before we start, I want you to understand what filters or rules are. They are automated features in Gmail that sort and manage incoming emails based on specific criteria you set. And they apply actions like labeling, archiving, or deleting messages to keep your inbox organized without manual effort. And to create a filter or rule, what you can do is after signing into your Gmail account, you can go to this search at the top. Once you click on this button, you can input the criteria for your search. You fill out this criteria to match your preference. You click on create filter, and you fill out this criteria also to match your preference. You can either choose to create a label, so you apply the label to the email and then you create a new label for it if possible. Then you create a filter. Now for you to find the filter that you created or rule that you created, you go to settings, you go to see all settings, and you go to filters and blocked addresses, and here you can find the filter that you just created for the new label. And that's how you create filters or rules in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.